In this video, we're going to show you how to send an avatar sticker in Messenger. Avatar stickers are a fun way to express yourself in conversations. So let's jump right into the steps. Step 1. If you haven't already downloaded the Messenger app, head over to the Play Store and search for Facebook Messenger. Look for the chat bubble with a sideways lightning bolt and its gradient purple and blue color scheme. Tap on Install and wait for it to finish downloading and installing. Step 2. Once you've signed into your account, tap on a chat where you want to send a message. Step 3. To access the avatar stickers, tap on the smiley face icon located next to where you type your message. Step 4. Look for the smiley mouth with hair and tap on it. This will give you access to the avatar stickers that you've created for your account. Step 5. Select a sticker from the available options. You can scroll through the selection to find the perfect one that matches your mood and personality. Step 6. Alternatively, you can edit your avatar by tapping on Edit Avatar. This will allow you to customize your avatar to match your style and personality. That's it. You've successfully sent an avatar sticker in Messenger. It's really that simple. In conclusion, sending an avatar sticker in Messenger is a fun and creative way to express yourself in conversations. Whether you want to show off your sense of humor or just want to add some personality to your messages, avatar stickers are a great option. We hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.